I will check the homework questions after class. So send all the homework questions. But I need to cover the content. All right. So we're gonna look at, let me do when we're doing scalar multiples, I will talk about scalar multiplication, right? But let me look at um vector algebra. Vector algebra is very simple. All right, so Healy, I want you to stay unmuted. You will help now. You good answering though? Yeah.
Yeah, all
You
right.
equipped. You equipped to help, man.
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So the first thing we look at is vector addition. Vector addition. Right. Let me just say we have to add these two vectors. Um, Let me just say this is A, B plus C, B. Very, very simple. All my answer will be is A plus C. And remind me, Healy, A and C would correspond to what movement? The vertical movement or the horizontal movement?
Horizontal.
Right. So if you want to combine two vectors, you're gonna add the horizontal movements and the vertical movements. That's that's it. I think I'll can handle that question.
Wow. So difficult.
Let me go that question. Um, Example. Try adding these two vectors. 4, 2, and 3 minus 4. Yeah, this really, 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 really shouldn't take all that long at all. Mm-mm, should not.
7/-2.
Yeah, that's the answer. Real hard, eh? Is it? I hear you.
Mm?
It hard,
No,
like two easy ends.
it's too good to be true.
7 minus 2. Right. So let me show you what this means graphically, real quick. Uh, I was speaking about chemistry. Look, you. Anybody over here like chemistry?
Why you think I didn't pick science?
Because of chemistry.
Yeah, I loved bio and physics, but this is
Chemistry.
chemistry. Yeah.
So, um, let me put down this real quick. All right. So let me ask you that question. Does a vector have to start from the origin? Let me ask you
No.
that question. No, it doesn't. Alicia, if you want to go, if you want to go Port of Spain, do you have to leave from your house to go Port of Spain?
Yeah.
Okay, what if you're spending that by email?
What? Wait, say what that?
I say, for you to go Port of Spain, do you always
Right.
have to leave from your house?
Well, not always. It depends on if you're in your house.
Exactly. See, it don't matter where you start. It just matters where you
Mm-hmm.
end, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I'm gonna put down a displacement vector. I'm just put a note to the side real quick. If a vector does not start from the origin, we call it a displacement vector. If a vector does not start from the origin, we call it a what, Alicia?
A displacement something.
If a vector starts from the origin, what we will call it?
That's a good question. I can't remember.
In no way. Rihanna,
Vector.
help them out, help them out. If a vector starts from the origin, what we will call it? Rihanna, you too? Hmm. We call it a
Displacement vector.
position. No, if a vector starting from the origin, that's 0, 0, we call it a position vector. So if it not starting at the origin, we call it a displacement vector. Yeah, you have to say vector. Right. So I'm gonna put down I want somebody to give me a point. Anybody, any point on this plane? Somebody give me a point. Keely, give me a point fast.
4.
4. Okay. Give me a point. A point is like 2 points. Like one, like 2, 1 or something.
Oh, 4, 2.
4, 2. Would that
Good night, everybody.
Hey, look, Desron. Good night, Desron.
What's up?
I good. Desron, you gotta talk to Nicholas, eh? Nicholas going through it.
Uh,
Yeah.
I'm late.
You can talk to him about it after class.
All right, no thing. Say no more.
Nicholas, Desron is older than me. He probably be better qualified to give you advice. You know? He has a lot more experience.
Oh, I
Yeah. Right. So 4, 2. By the way, Desron, what we doing right now? I showing all you how to do vector algebra. Like add two vectors, subtract two
Okay, yeah.
vectors, and
Okay,
multiply vectors. You don't have no such thing as divide vectors. You don't have no such thing like that. Is
okay.
is addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So vector addition is very simple. You just add the horizontal components and the vertical components like that. So if we
All
have
right.
4, 2, 3 minus 4, you add the 4 and the 3, you get 7. If you have the 2 and the minus 4, 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Simple.
Yeah.
If a vector does not start from the origin, we call it a displacement vector. All right. So Keely, I'm gonna put on
Yeah.
I'm gonna put 4, 2. If I have a vector 4, 2, that means tell me it's in directions. That means I go in 4 to the what?
4 to the right.
Right? So I would end up at what point?
4.
So I starting from 4, and then I go in
Oh,
4 to the right.
sorry. 8.
I go end up at 8, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then I will move how much up? According to the vector. According to the vector, how much I'll move upwards?
2.
I'll move 2. All right. So I will end up at 4, right? So this over here will be the vector. Tell me if that makes sense,
Yeah.
right? So that's the vector there. And adding that to what vector? Tell me.
Sorry.
And adding that to what vector?
3 over 4. Minus 4.
Now let me explain what's going on there. So you have a vector 4, 2, and after you go, so Kelly, let me explain what this addition thing is about, right? Imagine you walk a certain distance and I tell you how to walk again. That's what it is, you know. So you walk 4 to the right and then 2 up. You understand? You walk 4 to the right and then 2 up and tell you to do something else again. You understand?
Yeah.
So you walk already here, and then you gotta do something again. So the other thing you have to do, 3. The other thing you have to do, what you have to do, you go in 3 to the left, 3 to the right. What are you doing?
You're going 3 up,
3 up.
or 3 right.
Wait, I've got to make a little more space here.
My bad, 3 to the right.
You go in 3 to the right. Yeah. So I'm going to end up at what point?
Mm, that's not.
So I shift it a little bit, right? Because it would not fit on the graph if I didn't shift it. So you're starting at point 5 and you go in 3 to the right. So we're going to end up at
8.
8, right? And then you're gonna move what? You have -4.
You're gonna move down.
Right? So we add 4 and you're gonna move 4 down. So you add 4 and you're gonna go 4 down. Tell me fast. Where's 4 minus 4?
0.
Right. Right? So our point is going to be here. So that's where you are gonna end up. Let me know if you understand that.
Yeah.
That's where you're gonna end up. There's Ronnie. I'm gonna explain that back real quick.
We have to move.
All right. Amy, you confused?
No.
No? Bryce. Bryce and Sasha. See how they now join. Right now, we're talking about adding vectors. So if I didn't know before, vectors is just directions, right? So if the top number is either moving left or right. If it's positive, you're going right. If it's negative, you're going to the left. The bottom number tells you if you're going up or down. If it's positive, you're going up. If it's negative, you're going down. Right? So there's Ron. Stay with me. So
Yeah.
we just say I start from this point over here. I just put it over there, right? We start in there. And according to the vector, you go in 4 to the right because it's positive. So you go in
Yeah.
4 to the right, and then you go in. You
Yeah,
understand?
yeah. Mhm.
So you reach that point. Imagine you're walking, you start from here and you reach here. That is the vector.
Yeah.
But after that, I come and tell you, hey, you gotta move this again. So at the point, how much you gonna move again? Look at the next thing you're adding,
3
right? And then,
-4.
so that 4 down.
Oh,
So you end up over here,
I
right?
can understand. Yeah.
So you start from over here, and you reach over here.
Yeah.
That is what it means to add 2 vectors. It means that you're moving twice, right? And if you're subtracting vectors, it just means that okay. To subtract vectors, it come like I get you wrong direction and I tell you to come back. Alicia, let us soak in. For addition vector, it come like I tell you to move again. For subtract, if I subtracting vectors, it come like I tell you to move back. You understand that?
Yeah.
You sure you understand that?
Mm-hmm. But okay, wait, I have like one question. I don't know if it's a dumb question or not. But like, okay, when we add it, right, where does the 7 over -2 come in? Because like that
Okay,
nowhere on the ground.
okay, you ready for this? You ready for this?
Mm-hmm.
Sure you ready for this? Your mind
Yeah, maybe.
blown. Right.
Your mommy say hi.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So, Alicia, when we now start vectors, and we say vectors is just directions to go from one point to the other point, you remember that?
Yeah.
So, end by me following these 2 vectors. And I start from here and I eventually reach over here.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, watch this. If I want to go from this point to this point, let me show you what this is equivalent to. Let me show you what this is equivalent to. So so Alicia, I want you to give me a vector. I want you to give me a vector then. How would I go from this point to this point? Tell me, how would I have to move a starting horizontally? How much points I had to move horizontally? I want to go from 1 to 8.
8.
1 to 8.
Yeah, 8. And then
No, no,
2
no, no.
down.
Now you
Oh.
start at 1 and you go into 8.
Oh, so 7. Oh, okay, I understand.
Right.
Okay.
That's all coming in. So
Mm-hmm.
basically, if you move 4, here what I'm saying, if you move 4 to the right and then 2 up, and then you go 3 to the right and 4 down, is the same thing as moving 7 to the right and 2 down. It's the same thing. We'll carry it to the same point. Mind blown. That's really cool, right? You understand it?
Very cool, yeah.
Yeah, Amy, you catch that?
Yeah.
Rihanna, how about you?
Yeah.
Bryce, you want to run through back again or you catch that?
Sure.
You want me to explain it one more time?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. So Bryce, we starting at this point over here. The According to the vector, it's telling us to move 4 to the right. So I go in 4 to the right, and then according to this, it's telling me to move 2 up. So I go in 2 up. So I reach this point over here now. But I have another vector. So when I reach this point, I had to move 3 to the what now? If it's positive, like 3 to the what?
3 to the right.
Right. So at this point, I'm going to go 3 to the right. So I had 5, so I'll go to 8. And then I had the minus 4. That means I go in where?
Left.
Nah. The top one is for moving left or right, and the bottom one is to move up or down. So what minus 4 will be?
Or down.
Right. So by taking these two vectors, I start from here and I end up at here. You understand?
And
So I
there.
start from here and I reach here.
Okay.
And that is the same thing as 7 minus 2. Watch. If I start from 1, if I start from this point over here, this is starting point 1 and this is ending point number 2. If I starting at 1 and I want to go to 2, tell me how much spaces I gotta move to the right. I
It's
started
starting at 1.
now I ending at 8. I started at 1 and I ending at 8.
Uh-huh.
So what is our distance?
Um, 8.
Nah. It starting at 1
So,
and it ending at 8.
oh, well, I really don't understand. Like, I really don't. I don't know what you're talking about. But,
If I tell you you start at 5 kilometers and you finish at 50 kilometers, how much distance you travel? You start at 5 and you finish at 50. How much distance you travel?
um,
Imagine you're running
55.
a race. And instead of you
Mm-hmm.
starting from the finish line, sorry, from the starting line, which is 0, you got a head start. You start from 5 and you finish at the 50. How much distance you really travel?
45.
Right. So you starting at 1 and you're ending at 8. So 8 minus 1 is 7.
Oh, shucks. Okay.
And
Alright.
then we had to go to 8. So we had to move 2 down now because we at 2 on the
Yeah.
y-axis and we had to go to 8 on which is on 0 over here. So we had to move 2
Yeah.
down. And that is 7 minus 2. And that's another way we could reach to that point. So that is how vector addition does look graphically. Okay,
Okay, okay.
cool. Everybody understand that. Right? Let's move on to vector subtraction now. Very simple stuff. Are they want some time to copy this down? Let me know if I want some time to copy that down. And in the meantime, I'm writing notes for vector subtraction.
Yeah.
Okay. Amy, I want you to make a wild guess. For vector addition, we end up with A plus C and B plus D. Make a wild guess. Like, you're probably a genius if you could figure this out. What do you think AB minus CD will be equal to?
Um, A minus C and B minus D.
The maths community already fall, yeah. They already fall all about it.
And
Let's
this is kind of part of matrices,
no, I said,
like something kind of similar. Because I remember at the time when I joined the Form 5 class, all they was doing that.
well, I mean, it has similar properties because vectors are matrices. You represent vectors using matrix form. Yeah, same kind of thing. Same kind of thing because if I had a vector 2, 3, 1, 4, and I added it to vector 1, 0, 9, 8, I would end up with 3, 3, 10, 12. Same thing, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Right? So a vector is an example of a matrix. Well, we write vectors in matrix form. Right? So I'll give you another this question to try one time. 4, 2. I think we could start past people questions today. I think so.
I doing 2018 right now.
Okay, okay. Nice.
Yeah.
School, where you doing?
It's actually not a bad day.
And in school, where you doing?
Nothing.
Oh my.
Yeah.
I'm helping you answer.
Huh?
Shy, I'm helping you answer.
Um, no, yeah, sometimes. When you call me, generally, like, talk what I'm done.
Okay, okay. Oh, let's talk about rum. Nice one.
No,
Eh?
we don't.
Is that record and say yes or no?
No, we do, doesn't. Take it even a century, the record, and I know too. And actually,
Okay, I will.
yeah.
Hmm. All right. Yeah. So I want
Look,
you all to,
Sasha, here, ask Sasha, he say how tomorrow we're gonna do some write up on some SB. And yesterday was literally just drawing six circles and measuring the diameter and all that kind of thing.
so they really do much work then.
Nope. And I think that's why I've been forced to write Max and John.
Hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, my life and life and right now are actually drained.
They go workouts.
Yeah.
All right. So yeah, when you all have vector addition copied down, I want you all to copy down vector subtraction and try the question one time to save time, and I'm gonna do it on the graph. Right? If I were to do it on the graph, it's just basically a backtracking. So, Haley, let me explain what I mean, right? Haley, you there?
Yeah.
So Haley, imagine I tell you, hey, move 4 spaces to the right. But then I was like, no, 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 no. I make a mistake. Move back 3 spaces. That's what it means. Say end up back at 1, right?
Yeah.
And then I tell you move 2 spaces down. Sorry, 2 spaces up. I tell you move 2 spaces up. And then I was like, no, 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 no. You're supposed to move 2 spaces down. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. Hope you understand that.
Yeah.
That's the concept, more or less. Right, so give me only 3 minutes. Are you nearly copied on everything? There's run. There's run. Let me know what's going on.
Oh, Jeff.
Oh, you tired? Work was
Fuck.
tough today?
Right now I'm very sick.
Oh, shucks. You have the virus?
So yeah.
Ese que ya Zoom meeting Alberto.
All
And I
right.
had to work today. I'm not feeling so weak. So I have to carry my book to work tomorrow. I'll copy it, I'll copy it down. I'll make sure and send the proof for you now, right?
Okay, nice.
Yeah. Right now I really can't make right now. I'm feeling too weak, man. Nah.
Hmm.
And I have to travel today, all kind of thing. But Vanessa had the car. She
Hey,
going for class.
I never see her in UE.
Uh,
Yeah, I never bounce
she'll
off.
be up in the back.
Wait, she
Um,
Mount Hope?
huh?
She in Mount Hope?
No, no, nah.
Oh, okay, well, surprised I didn't see she.
She'll be quite up in the back.
Ah, I see.
So class is gonna be from 5 until 8.
Some of my classes is like that as well. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah. The next time I use she is.
I just actually when I travel, I just drop off
Uh-huh.
South Gate and as I walk to the North Gate. I mean,
She'll
sorry.
be by
No,
North
no,
Gate.
no. No, 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 sorry.
By
I
the
said I,
parking lot,
said I
by the
in
parking lot
reverse.
there.
I said that in reverse. I just drop off by the North Gate where Republic Bank is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So I might write SATs next year gospel life. I'm not contemplating.
Well, if you get through the
I
C-second,
try to get a scholarship through football now.
oh, hey, if you
So
could do that, that'd be real dope, you know. You could
yeah.
actually follow your dreams.
Yep, correct.
Yeah. Right?
And I'm trying the program and everything already.
We have Justin the cricketer and we have Desron the footballer. Let's go.
Really?
Right? All I have everything copied down. Keely.
Yup.
Okay,
Oh,
nice.
Rihanna. Rihanna is awfully quiet.
I find so, eh? Don't know what.
Yeah.
I'm here. I'm alive.
You want to tell she friend hi, nothing. We
Stush behavior. Stush
yeah, yeah.
behavior. Hey,
I thought you checked for me. I was wrong.
it was certainly wrong, boy. If the dead,
Yeah.
they were dead.
Hmm. Boy, oh boy.
And she's still quiet up to now, you know.
All right.
We
I don't know what to say about that one. You're on your own,
go
Dash.
easy.
You're on your own.
We are facing a bad mood today.
This world is a cruel world, you know?
Yeah.
Every man for this.
Correct.
All right. Amy, you have everything copied down?
Yep.
Is it anybody here that does not have everything copied down? Should I accept? Very quiet. Kirsten, Sasha, Alicia, Nicholas.
Sasha is in class.
Yeah,
Bravo.
all of them real quiet today. I don't know what's happened. Like them didn't brush their teeth and they're scared to talk.
Yeah. My place awfully quiet
Like
tonight.
I don't think in class at all, right?
What is it, Sasha?
I say you making me sound like I don't come in classes at all.
No,
What?
Like
You
you
no.
not coming.
You'll be more vocal.
have to be more vocal. Yes, yes. All right. So, Alicia, you have this copy down.
Yeah.
Did you figure out the vector subtraction?
Yeah. I was supposed to send it.
No, you can tell me right here. It's very easy. What's 4
Oh,
minus?
over 6.
Hey, don't write it. Said don't ever make that mistake and put 1/6 like that. One,
Mm-hmm.
1, 6. Okay, that's vector subtraction. And you can think of vector subtraction as just you're telling somebody to go back, right? That's it. All right. Whew. Next thing. Now we look at scalar multiplication. Right. And there's a very important note here. Anytime, anytime a vector can be written as a scalar multiple other, it suggests that the vectors are collinear or parallel. And if two vectors are parallel, it means that they're in the same direction, but they could have different size. Same direction does not mean they have the same size. Might mean, uh, the same. I'll use the word magnitude. All right, wait, let me just adjust something slightly, right? Let me just adjust something slightly. So if you can write two vectors as scalar multiples of each other, it could suggest one of two things. Typically, at this level, it's just parallel. Or you could say that they are collinear. What collinear basically means is that the vectors lie on the same line. And I will explain the difference. Right, so copy that down. Yeah, do you all have our copy down?
I do.
All right. What about everybody else?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Alicia, what about you?
Yeah, I have a copy now.
Me too.
Okay, cool. Sounds like everybody have it copied down. So for scalar multiplication, it looks like this. If I have k by a b, then that would be equal to k a k. That's simple. That's how simple it is. Let me give you an example. Alicia, give me a vector.
6, 3.
Right? Given the vector, I should have used a smaller vector. Let me just say 2, 1. Given the vector 2, 1, find its scalar product. Find its scalar product. If k equal to 3. Yeah, so given the vector 2, 1, find its scalar product if k is 3. See if you can figure out that. Yeah, so did anybody figure out the answer?
Yeah,
What's the answer?
it is 6, 3. Is the same thing I just gave you.
You see what I do? I reverse
Yeah,
engineer. If it's on the graph. The big brain move the ends.
very.
So all I'm asking all you to do is take the vector and multiply it by 3. That's all. So you're going to end up with 6, 3. Right? Basically, what's going to happen is 3 by 2 is 6. And Bryce, if 3 by 2 is 6, how many is 3 by 1?
3.
Right. Let me explain what this whole thing is about. All right, so let me just say, I will use position vectors for this, so nobody would get lost. So Alicia, let me just say we're dealing with the position vector 2, 1. So if we're dealing with a position vector, are we starting from?
The base, the origin.
Right, so it's 2, 1. So that what I mean, if I'm starting from here, where's my next step?
Um, you, you're going up. Wait, no, you're going right 2 times,
What do I do next?
and then you're going up 1 time.
So I'll reach over here.
Yeah.
All right. And to show them the vector, I had to connect them to points, and
Yes.
I had to put the arrow as well. All right, cool. Where's my next vector, Bryce? So the vector I got when I multiplied that by 3, what was our vector? Bryce, when I multiplied 2, 1 by 3, what did I get? Can I hear in Bryce? I'm gonna ask, okay, Desron now in class, because you're not feeling well. Okay, Desron, you're in class. Desron, you able to help me with this pass? It's not hard. It's easy.
Yeah, nothing. I'll try. Yeah.
All right, Desron. So let me just say we're starting from the center. So 6, 3. What does 6, 3 mean? That's starting from
6-3.
the center. 6, 3. Tell me what to do next. Tell me where to move.
Yeah, moving 6. Moving 6 up?
Nah,
No, you're moving 6 to the right.
right? It's always horizontal first, and then what?
Yeah. And then moving 3 up.
Like that. I shall reach here.
Yeah.
Right. Let me use a different color for that. Water. Oh, okay. Oh, I had to fix that real quick. Fix that real quick. I just fixed this thing up real quick. So we're gonna make sense of it. Right. Okay, so Alicia, this small vector here, that's 2 1 ends. And the vector,
Yeah.
well,
Mm-hmm.
that's what?
That is no, is
Yeah.
it? Oh yeah, it's 6-3.
What do they notice about them two vectors?
It can multiply. Well, 2 1 was multiplied by 3 together.
So the vector in purple looking how much times bigger than the blue vector?
3 times.
All right, because we multiplied by 3 ends.
Mm-hmm.
So what we did is we scaled it up. I
Mm-hmm.
at both of them in the what? They in the what? Amy, where's the word I'm looking for? Both of them in the same one. They in the same,
Direction.
they're in the same direction. And on top of being in the same direction, so we know the parallel. Where's the special terminology we're gonna use? Since both of them lie on the same line and they're in the same direction, we're gonna call this what? The parallel and the what? If you're on the same line, what we just call that? I feel like all they know is this, I just all they don't know how to pronounce it. Kelly, is that true? How do you
Collinear.
pronounce this?
Collinear.
Collinear. It sounds like you're saying I have collinear. Collinear. Yeah. Right? Yeah. So if you have a vector as a scalar multiple, it will lie on the same line and it will be collinear. But that's not the case all the time. Let me give you a situation. Guys, remind me, do all vectors have to start from the origin?
No.
No. So this is what happens when you have a position vector and a displacement vector at the same time. Position vector and So let me show you something, right? Guys, I just want to add something. In this example, right? For this example, the vectors that were used, they were position vectors. Vectors were, I'll give all the time to copy things down just now. Just explaining the concept. So Alicia, I'm gonna use the same graph, but I'm gonna change one slight thing. One small thing, eh? One small thing.
Okay.
I want you to pick the victim. You want to pick 2-1 or 6-3? Which one gonna be the victim?
I kind of like 6'3", you know.
Say you want to pick on the smaller one. Shameful. There's
Yeah.
there's Ron. It's really a lonely world out here, you know. Really lonely. Do you want to pick on the smaller one? Damn.
Yeah.
I see how it is, you know. This will be easy, you know. So look at what I'm gonna do, right? So Alicia, I'm not gonna change anything for the 6-3.
Okay.
And we agree that is I become sort of sunny just now. I agree that that is a position vector.
Yeah.
Okay. And it's also the scalar product or the scalar multiple of what?
Of 2-1.
Cool. Let me just say that 2-1 was not, it was not a position vector. Let me just say
Right.
it's a displacement vector. Let me just say it starts over here. Let me just say, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let me just say. So I starting over here now. And my vector was 2-1. If it's 2-1, what does that mean again?
You're going 2 to the right and 1 up.
So I will move. Wait, let me just fix the socket line. Never mind, I can't really line it up. Yeah, let me just say I start at, I don't know, 1-6. So I'm moving 2 to my,
Right.
so if I add
2 to
1,
the, mhm.
I wind up at what?
7. Wait, no. 3, 7. Wait, no. Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Now I want you to realize something. Don't be too sharp.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna make sense. Isn't this the same vector? Isn't that the same vector, 2-1?
Yeah.
But are both of them lying on the same line?
No.
Are both of them pointing in the same direction?
Yeah.
Yeah, they are. They are.
Mm-hmm.
Watch. This one pointing over here, and this one pointing over here. Both of them pointing in the same direction.
Yeah.
So would it be collinear?
Yes.
I want you to read what collinear means to me.
Oh, wait. No, 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 no. It would be parallel.
It would be parallel, but it would not be collinear. See,
Mm-hmm.
you actually could ask it to to figure out if it's collinear, if it's parallel.
Oh.
So in this example, I would say that the two vectors, so I would say
Parallel.
the two vectors are parallel, but not collinear. There's one. Why I saying they are not collinear? You know why that's wrong? Amy, you know why? You know why it isn't collinear? Can I hear an Amy? That's weird. Nicholas, you know why it's not collinear?
Why?
I feel you're still worrying about that thing you told me at the start of class, you know. You can't think straight. You're distracted.
I feel
So
so.
I know why it's not.
Tell me, Bryce.
Because
Why?
the vectors do not lie on the same line.
Right. And that is because this vector not starting from the same point as this vector. In the previous example, both of them start from the same point. So they line on the same line. But in this example, they're pointing in the same direction, but they're not on the same line, so they're not collinear, but they're parallel. So copy down what you have to copy down from here, if anything. And I'll give all you 3 minutes for that. No, that's too much time. 2 minutes. You just take 2 minutes and copy down anything you want to copy down here fast. Here, you have everything copied down there?
Yeah.
Okay. Seven seconds. Okay, the time is up, right? Malene, I'll copy this down now. So other situation. Alicia, you have that copy down?
Yeah.
Who doesn't have it copied down? That's the better question.
Me, give me 1 minute.
All right, no problem. All right, so Haley, as soon as you have that copy down, let me know. All right.
I finished.
All right, cool. Right, so we just now discussed vector algebra, addition, subtraction, scalar multiplication. Let's see if I can give you a slightly harder question before we move on. Next thing I want to do is determine the direction of a vector. Then we go to triangular law. Actually, I probably should do triangular law one time. I could leave the direction of vector for the end of class if I have time. Give you a question. See if I can find a question. Right. So question time. I'm Kelly.
Hi.
I wait to read this.
Yeah.
Read that.
Why?
Let's read it.
Okay.
Right? And Nicholas, how you say this?
That's so
Nicholas,
yeah.
Nicholas real out of it today, boy.
What happened to Nicholas?
Nicholas, we will talk after class, right? When everybody go. If you want. I'll give you some
I,
ad-
But I want to know.
No, mind your business.
That's so rude.
How is that rude? You have to mind your business, you know? If something is not your business, well, isn't. Yeah. If Nicholas wanted to hear, he could tell you. Yeah. You and
Okay.
didn't you hear what he was talking about at the start of class?
No.
Well, after class, we will talk about it. Yeah. Right? So is equal, if vector A is equal to 4, 7, vector B is equal to 3 minus 5, and C is equal to 0, 4, find one. Starting off very easy. Um, should I? Nah, that's too boring. 2A plus 3B. Uh, yeah, find out for that. And then we could do even harder questions. Because life needs some sparkle. And see, and life needs some sparkle.
You should ask Amy that question.
Yes, man. I find everybody real quiet. Like, even Amy don't usually be this quiet. Amy, I know why. Amy and Alicia studying for tests. That's why.
I'm not even studying right now, but I know why Haley said to ask Amy that. You wanna know why?
Let me hear.
Yeah.
Oh no, no, no,
We
no,
we
no,
used to
no,
we
Wait,
no,
used to
no.
play
this
COD.
is
We used to
Sparkle,
play COD
Sparkle.
like every day. Like in 2021, and Amy name on COD was Sparkles.
Oh my God, what? Wait,
No, nobody needed to know this information. That was 4 years ago.
it's
No,
kind of
3 years ago.
it's kind of like how Haley Instagram name was Squiddy Gay, you know?
Reggie, please.
Hey, you bring up thing with Amy, you know you had to gotta be ready
I
to.
just always bring up me though. It's my squiddy name.
It's a cute name, but if you shoot shots at Amy, well, you gotta be prepared. What if somebody say something, you know? Yeah. I wonder if Alicia
Relax.
have any funny names.
No. My name on my PS4 was Retro Do Not Sad though, so I put that as my COD name.
Retro
But I
don't.
think it was yeah. I don't know where I got that from.
You know, I still have you saved as that.
Really?
For
Oh, I think I saw you see that Squiddy.
real?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, Haley. You know when you meet that special someone, you can call them Squidward.
Why?
You know. Yeah. I
Why
hope.
can't call him Patrick though?
Oh my. Patrick. You want Patrick?
Nah, not Patrick, is SpongeBob. C'est sans survive.
Anywho,
You
um,
understand?
see if I can figure out question one and two before things get hard.
Okay.
Yeah. I have a test tomorrow that deals heavily with chemistry. And I'm looking forward to that, guys. I will say I'll pray someone. Yeah, I will pray something.
You will eat it up.
Most likely, but still kind of worried. It's chemistry.
Was Ruben in class on his birthday?
Huh?
Was Ruben in class on his birthday?
Yeah, I this birthday, I raid the whole grocery and I pick up all the gummy snacks in the grocery. Buy all the gummy snacks for him. Put it in a bag, tell him, look, happy birthday.
I
Oh, yeah,
invite
and
you.
John went on snack on that till the end of the week.
Oh yeah.
He gonna enjoy himself on Thursday.
Okay, Amy, first question is correct. Second one, um, second one is also correct. Nice. I get an answer from Amy, but I didn't get an answer from anybody else. Alicia, you know what to do for this?
I don't, and I'll send you.
All right. Haley, you know what to do?
Yeah, and the last one.
Bryce, Sasha. Bryce, you will do one with me, right? Nicholas, Rihanna.
Um,
Let me know if you know what to do, Rihanna.
I'm a little confused.
A little confused. All right. So I'm gonna explain.
Yeah.
So I give you I give you three vectors. Vector A, vector B, vector C. So I say in
Mhm.
first question, 2 times vector A plus 3 times vector B. So you had to find 2 times vector A, which is scalar multiplication. Then you're adding it to 3 times vector B, scalar multiplication again.
Oh, really? I did that.
You do that?
I thought it was wrong. Well, I had the idea.
That's real simple, you know. I see what to go. It's like real simple.
Yeah, I realized.
Okay,
Anyways, I'll send it this off.
let me check what Alicia do. Hmm. Alicia, that look like 2A plus 36. But yes, you are correct. Good to go.
Wait, where? Oh my God, it does. I'll fix it.
Okay, Nicholas, we have some big up the Shiva boys. Exam pad. Yeah. Boy, I don't have an actual book though.
Well, I had to get a new book.
Is this something I have to speak to Miss Roshni Gangram about?
Oh, I just don't have any extra books.
Okay. Let me see. Sure, I have here. Okay.
You
Nicholas,
know what? Oh,
wait,
sorry, sorry.
Nicholas, what is 14 minus 13?
14 minus what? 13.
Sorry. No. I see anything. I see anything. Don't worry about it. My glasses in shade. You cannot write it like at 13 though.
Yeah, just get up plenty from the teachers.
Okay, yeah. So the first answer is correct. The second answer is wrong.
Oh,
Max, that question. You're gonna you're not multiplying anything by negative, huh? What you're gonna do is you're only taking the 2 and then multiplying it. So you go say 2 by 0 is 0, and you go say 2 by 4 is 8. So you're supposed to end up
oh,
with minus 12, 20, then minus 0, 8.
so the final answer. I can see the final answer.
Final answer is minus 12, 12.
Yeah, I get it.
Keely, we're running into some little trouble there. I see you delete it fast, fast. See, quick with it. Quick with it.
Wow.
I see that, you know. I see that.
No, you didn't.
You thought you was slicked.
You didn't see all my deleted messages. Oh my God,
I see that again.
is it correct?
Yeah, that's good to go there. You good to go.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. I'm waiting on an answer from Bryce, Kirsten, Gobby, also known as Kiera, and Sasha. Kiera, how things? How things? Kiera? Think Kiera sleeping there, you know. I get any vibe that Kiera in her bed snoring all now. Kirsten, Didn't get any answer from you. There's Ron, I know you're sick, but when I doing the solutions, you go follow it, man. I mean, if you're confused. Rihanna, I didn't get any answer from you.
1 second, I'm done.
Okay.
Reggie, this is such a random question.
Oh, wait, I'm gonna
Um,
get it.
but and you know your past student that you had in lessons, and she was stripped out or something. I don't even know what to say she name.
Straight to
And she
Babula.
went, yeah, and she went priority. I
Yeah.
think she transferred in my school for 4 and 6.
Yeah.
Serious, because I see she every evening, but I don't think, I only kind of realized that just now.
Tell she, tell she, you know her. Well, you know her from Max Vibes. Yeah.
Okay,
She
okay.
was she was one of my star pupils, Well, you go. I will call all my students star pupils, more or less. Hey Nicholas, I saw something I was supposed to send you. I see this video of this of Brownie dog in a sauna.
Because of it.
Like it real funny. The dog well not sauna, like a puddle of water or something because the dog hot.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, Rihanna, let me check what you have there. Hmm. We have some work to do there, Rihanna. We have some work to do there. Yep. So you get 814. Then you get wait a minute. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. Rihanna. Rihanna. Rihanna, you there?
Yeah.
What is 3 by 3? I wonder. What is 3 by you know this? You know this. What's 3 by 3?
Okay.
And what is 3 by -5? Oh, you
I
know
was
that.
moving too fast, sorry.
All right. Bryce, you there?
Yeah, sending it no.
Okay.
Fixing mine also just now.
Right, no problem. No problem. I'm gonna throw in algebra into this now with X and Y and doing all kind of numbers. Hey, I told you how I meet Chloe. I wonder. Haley, I tell her that. I think Haley in class. Haley in class.
Who's Chloe?
The nice number, girl. Nice number. Nice number.
You meet Chloe?
Yeah. Well, I was in UE. She going UE too. And I had to for a project, I had to go find a table and measure it. And I had to do up the projection on AutoCAD and thing. So I went on the fourth floor and she sat down on the couch and the table right there. I lifting up the table and measuring it and thing, and she was like, "What you doing?" It's like, "What you doing? You doing a project?" And I was like, "Yeah, doing a project." Yeah, that was
Yeah,
it.
that's not she was trying to find a nice number.
Oh my God. Nah, 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 it'll probably annoy she. This fella come up and
Yeah,
she,
she probably fed up here that, but
hey,
she's so nice. I like she real pretty.
this fella come up to her when I was there and asked if she was Chloe. Nice number girl. She was like, no. So I was like, I'm not say anything. I'm not say anything.
You didn't realize
What do you mean if I didn't realize what?
that she was Chloe?
Yes, I did. She had one of those faces, you know it's her. You can't mix her
Yeah,
face.
she unusual. Like,
Yeah, like it's a weird kind of beauty. I find she's kind of look like, sexy Squidward. Like the face now. Very angular.
Yeah. It
Yeah.
kind of square, you
Yeah,
know?
yeah. Exactly. It's kind of weird. All right, Bryce, I'm gonna check what you have here for now. So 8, 14, then 9 minus 15. Okay, Bryce, pop off. Slay. I'm Healy. You say it. Say slay.
Slay.
Say slay, Bryce.
Slay girl. Bryce, tell them what happened, buddy. Okay, no, let me shut up.
What
Wait,
now? We shall not speak about that.
Bryce, where this come out from? I see you right in 12 over 20 and thing. Where this come out from? Where,
Where?
where you pull that out of? In this second picture, I see you playing 12 over 20 and thing like is a fraction. No. So a
Oh,
fraction.
no.
Um,
I kind of I get accustomed during the fraction. So, like, I just do the line, but, like, yeah,
and one more thing. What is minus 4 by 3? What's a negative by a positive?
negative.
So why you put positive 12? Little sauce there. Fix that up there one time. And so
Sorry.
was it minus 12, right? And that's the only thing you do wrong. But excellent. That's really good. That's really good.
Right.
Okay, we still run into some trouble there, Rihanna. Rihanna, Max at this. Max at this. So in question 2, you have wait yeah, for question 2, right? Is 2C. Now C is 0, 4. Where's 2 by 0?
Up
Okay.
6. Oh, all right,
You're right.
is wrong.
Oh my. You're sabotaging yourself. Bad boy. Oh God. Yeah,
My
look,
brain is
Sasha.
burning today.
Look, Sasha gets it very correct. Nice, nice writing and thing too. I'm very impressed. Very impressed, Sasha. Whoa, everybody in our gear. Right. So that's Ron. This is for you. And Rihanna, this is for you. Oh God. Yeah, Rihanna. So let me pump. So we have 2, 4, 7, right? Then plus 3, 3 minus 5. So 4 by 2 is 8. 2 by 7 is 14. Then we're gonna have plus 3 by 3 is 9. 3 by minus 5 is minus 15. Then you're gonna end up with 8 plus 9. What is 8 plus 9, Rihanna?
Sorry, was that
8 plus 9.
17?
What is 14 plus minus 15?
What?
14 plus minus 15.
Minus 1.
Yep. Cool. That was it for question 1. Question 2 now. We have minus 4 multiplied by b, which is 3 minus 5. Minus 2 by c. Rihanna, what is c?
0, 4.
Right. Where's my next line? Tell me, what is the next line?
Wait. Oh,
Where's minus 4 by 3?
minus 12,
Mm-hmm.
20.
Right. And Nicholas, we're not multiplying the minus 2 by the 0 and the 4. Eh? You're only multiplying the 2. Handle the minus and after. So yeah, Rihanna, where's 2 by 0?
0,
Where's 2 by 4?
8.
Yeah. So where's minus 12 minus 0?
minus 12.
Or is 20 minus 8?
12.
Right. Blessings. More questions. Right? Question 3 now. Actually, I must switch up things real quick. Right, so I know how much of you like letters, especially X. Right? Feel like right now Nicholas playing some Juice WRLD and thing,
No. I know what.
Playing some Lucid Dreams. So the first one I want to let find for X. Hey, what? I'll do one with you all, and then I'll give you all the rest to do. So A plus X is equal to B. All right. So, and this is the example, right? Nicholas, you had to come out of the depressed state. So I calling upon you to help me with this.
Mm.
Yeah. Right. So, Nicholas, I want to find for X. So have two ways or I could do this. Or I could replace the letters for the vectors and then find, or you could replace it one time. I mean, sorry, you can make X a subject one time. So Nicholas, we're gonna make X a subject one time. So if I want to find for X, what I have to do with the A?
Just subtract an A from the two sides.
Right. So I have to move A across to the other side. So I'm gonna end up with X is equal to
B minus A.
B minus A. Right? And do we know what vector B and vector A is?
Yeah.
We know that vector B is 3 minus 2. We're gonna minus that from 2, 1. So where's the answer?
I don't think real hard for this question. It's kind of hard.
I understand. You
So
like
1 minus 2 is 1, I think. Minus 2 minus 1, I think that should be minus 3. I'm not too sure though.
badness? Am I ready for you or no?
Same thing I say.
I don't think she ready for you or no. To know if you catch what I'm saying. Yeah.
Catch you ball and I trade on.
Alicia and Amy probably know what we're on. You can let me in on it.
I asked him and I don't know, he only gave him some kind he like, it's like riddles. He's speaking in riddles.
Until you know who is Junior Lee, JR Lee on
I'm
TikTok.
not sure if that's another TikTok.
That's like the short fella with the big pot belly, and he's
Oh
being
my
really
god,
high.
yes, he real funny.
Hey, and you know that video when you're talking to your uncle and your uncle giving you advice, you know how is you have to do this to see this, right?
That's
Practice it.
literally how Nicholas speaks.
Yeah. Oh, 3a plus 2x is equal C. Yeah, guys, this might give all a little bit of trouble, but I have faith in you all, you know. I have faith. I know all there are some smart kids. So Bryce, I anticipate you're gonna have a little bit of trouble here because it's algebra. But I know you can figure out some. You can do it. So do all you could do. Right? I give you only 10 minutes. Yeah. All right. Go. So my advice is find for x first, then substitute the vectors. Keely, are we slaying?
We will see.
Okay.
Yeah, we still.
Right. So use like dragon then. I mean, use like donkey then.
Excuse me?
Donkey. You know, he slayed the dragon. Yeah.
I don't know what you're talking about.
From Shrek. Of course you know what I mean. I don't know how
Yeah, but what Shrek?
Donkey River.
I thought he got married to the dragon.
Yes, he slayed the dragon, you know, like donkey raise up dragon.
What
I
happened?
don't think I'm
Get
saying weird.
get with the times. Yeah, we have to learn to speak in brain rot. You know, like
But you remind me of like those TikToks where like there is be is like older siblings trying to like speak brain rot to the younger sibling.
Real?
oh my God, that's crazy, bro. My younger cousin come singing by my ears, skibbity skibbity. I was like, bro, what?
You know what I mean?
Yes, I know what skibbity means.
You know what skibbity toileters
Oh
mean?
God, yes. I know what.
Sid!
No.
Okay.
Oh, no, not sweet.
I find that so funny.
Oh, you know what Pookie means, right?
Yeah.
I don't know what it means, right? Because I know it's be calling each other Pooks and Pookie and things.
Wait. Oh, didn't that have a meaning?
Yeah,
What mean?
I think someone had to do that fast. I think he had to do that fast or something.
Okay.
Yeah,
I don't.
Pookie means fart in Tulu, the language.
Oh my God, I've been calling people fat.
Apparently, yeah. Anywho, see if I can figure out B, C, and D. After this, we're gonna move on to the hardest question they would ask you so far. So yeah, talk more real hard. Let head go hot all there.
My head don't hurting.
Hmm. You'll be fine. Be fine. You'll be fine.
Why do you want Rihanna? Like, find hard, I find kind of normal. And then it's the opposite.
I don't know that. Rihanna, you need to chill down. You need to chill like the dog in the chat. Rihanna, you look at it.
No.
Check it out fast. Check it out fast.
Oh. Yeah, I see it.
Yeah. Ezra, I know you're not feeling well, but you understand everything we're doing so far. Follow it. Yeah, I think we've lost this round. I know you're not feeling well. Any of you will hear this watch Attack on Titan, I don't think?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Alright, so I'm gonna say this no. It don't really have such a thing as vector division. It's not something we typically see. So when I'm writing that, don't write divide by 2. Instead, put multiply by a half. Yeah, just say it. Amy, you understand what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't really have a notation for division in vectors. You just use scalar. You only have scalar multiplication. So I fear that this might give you all some trouble. Hear what? I go do questions, see what you want. I want to pay attention. I'm gonna do questions, see real quick.
Yeah, do that.
Let me explain. So we know that we're gonna find for x. So Healy, I want to find for x. Who not supposed to be over here? I want to find for x. X out.
3A.
Yeah, the 3A not supposed to be there. Like you're not supposed to be Nicholas' business, but you still want to be there. No?
Reggie,
Really?
please.
It's like that. It's like anyway, we have 2x equal to C what? What's that?
C minus 3A. And that's awesome.
Amy, you want to see how I would have work it? Well, I mean, I guess as you point at me doing it here.
Yeah.
Yes, so I have two ways you can do it. This is how I would do it. I would have said 2x is equal to another. I'm gonna clean everything here. So that's just C 4 minus 3 minus 3 by A, which is 2, 1. Alicia, look it come back again. The 3 by the 2, 1.
Oh my god, I think it can revenge because I picked on it.
Yeah, come on, fair enough. 6. Then I will say 4 minus 6 is 2. Minus 3 is minus 6. And then I'm not gonna write it like this. Because I didn't learn anything like that. It have vector addition, vector subtraction, and scalar multiplication. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna multiply both sides by a half. Because Alicia, where's 2 by a half? Where's 2 by a half?
On one,
Yeah, I'm gonna find for one accent.
yeah.
Yeah. And I didn't learn anything called vector division. So it should look like this. A half 2 minus 6, which will just be equal to 1 minus 3. So that's what x is equal to. You can do it like that, or you could have done it like this. You could have said that. So when you reach this point and you have 2x is equal to c minus 3a, you could have multiplied by a half here. So you end up with x is equal to a half. Since you're multiplying everything by a half, you're going to end up with a half by c, which is a half c. Wait, can I call it? Yeah, you're going to end up with a half c. And Alicia, if I take the half and I multiply by the minus 3, what going to end up with? Where's minus 3 by a half? Where's minus 3 by a half?
You hear my one in the background? She talking, sorry. Wait, I calculating it. Because
You
I
don't need a
kinda
calculator for that.
overthinking.
You don't need a calculator for that, trust me.
Yeah, but I just overthink. I just took a person to like type in like 3 plus 2 in my calculator.
Wait, you're multiplying
Mhm.
a number by a fraction, top by top. Yeah.
Oh, what? Wait, so what that?
Minus 3 multiplied by a half.
Oh, um,
Minus 3 by 1 is
1. Wait, yeah, no. -3, sorry, I don't know. And then 2.
minus
Okay.
3 over 2. Yeah. So you have a
Sorry, I
half.
had a full moment there.
It's okay. Well, I don't know if I'll get this reference, but until I know how people say I had a blonde moment there.
Oh my God, yes.
Yeah.
I was blonde for a while, you know. I had blonde highlights. That's probably why.
Yeah, it probably explains it.
Yeah.
Joke. Joke. Oh. Yeah, so you could have done it like this, right? And then you could plug it in. So that'll be half and C. C was 4 minus 3 minus 3 over 2. And A was 2, 1. Right? So here, what if you do from now? Um, Alicia, what is a half by 4? You're gonna multiply everything inside by a half.
1/2 by 4 is 2. Is
Right.
it not?
Yeah.
Alright, okay.
A half by minus
You
3.
put kind of similar.
Hmm.
A half by -3 is net -3 over 2.
Right? And then what is 3 over 2 by 2?
Um,
2 and 2 will
3 to
cancel.
the 6, 6. Wait, oh yeah. So it's 3.
Right? And what is 3 over 2 by 1?
3 over 2.
Right? So then we go say x is equal to 2 minus 3, which is
1. Wait, no. -1.
wait a minute. Something
Wait, no.
ain't right.
Hold on.
See the mistake I make, Real careless mistake.
Yeah, say
Wait,
that 4
why?
minus 6 is 2. I was gonna say it, but like
Yeah.
after.
That is embarrassing, boy. Oh God. How could I do such a foul thing here? Damn. That's crazy, guys. It means it's a loud mop. So what kind of stupidness is that?
No, I was waiting. I didn't want to interrupt
Oh,
you.
all right. Yeah. So Alicia, where's 2 minus 3?
-1.
And minus 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2.
0.
So watch.
What?
Minus 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2.
Oh, um, wait, hold on.
Let me take my time. So if I have
Oh,
minus,
it'll be -6 over 0. So it's -6, I
wait,
think.
minus 6
Okay.
over 2. That'll be minus
Oh,
6 over 2.
okay.
Let me explain why real quick. If I have a half plus a half, what was I equal to?
If you had a half over a half,
No, a half plus a half,
oh, it would be 1.
which is the same thing as 2 over 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if I had a quarter plus 3 over, no, if I had a quarter plus 9 over 4, what that be equal to?
Wait, I didn't hear.
A quarter plus 9 over 4.
Uh-huh. It would be 10 over 4. Okay.
If I have minus 3, then minus 6
Yeah,
over,
okay. Yeah.
and minus 6 over 2 is minus 3.
Mm-hmm.
So which method do I prefer?
The first one.
Because nobody like to work with fractions, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right, so I do A and C follow. Try B and D now. Think I'll well equipped. Amy, I'll check your working because I think it's still supposed to be correct, It just the notation will be wrong. Yeah, so try B and D. Nicholas, let me see you something. Nicholas, it's the same thing. You put it over 2.
Yeah.
Hmm. Can't do that. You gotta write it as scalar multiple. But I will take it for now. But if Miss Priya see that, she'll be like, Nicholas, what you doing? Yeah, but
You got personal.
yeah. Yeah, B is correct. And he gets C correct as well. D. You see how your writing working is very scrappy. That's probably why it is lose marks in the exam. But yeah, you get the correct answer. What if the teacher just can't understand ways we writing? So they don't give you any marks for working.
I feel as that's probably possibly maybe. You never know.
Never know, huh? All right, Alicia, I'm gonna see what you have here. Okay, so P is correct. You know. All right, so Alicia, you haven't finished yet. That's the answer for 2x, but you gotta find for x. So we had to multiply by on both sides.
Oh, okay, okay. You have to divide though. X or
You had to divide, right? You had to divide by 2.
mhm.
Oh, we don't have anything. You see any vector division here?
No.
Vector division is not typically a thing in vectors. So you had to write it as a multi.
Oh,
Where's that? Where's okay, if you're dividing by 2, that's the same thing as multiplying by what?
if
Divide,
you divide them by 2, it's the same thing as multiply.
yeah. If I dividing something by
Um,
multiplying by what?
I'm not sure, you know.
Hmm. Okay. If I divide 50 divided by 2. 50 divided,
Right.
what is right?
Mm-hmm. It's 25.
Right? And I could also
Right.
that standard 5. I could write that as 50 multiply by 1 over 2 because I flip it.
Oh, okay, okay.
So dividing by 2 is the same thing as multiplying by a half. Put it on both sides.
Okay.
So Amy, um, the thing is summer back, it still suffers from the same mistake. You can't really write it over 2. You add and multiply by the number. Yeah. So you got B correct. Um, Clearly, is it?
Yeah.
You're crying.
No. If I what?
If you're crying,
No. Why?
it's asking. So Alicia, I noticed a little mistake in your working, right? You move,
Really? When?
you move, you say that real funny.
Um, what? Really? I tell you to Amy, tell me how I sound like SpongeBob. I don't know.
Um, the only thing you move across is the A, you know. So that's the only sign had to change. How come you get rid of the minus sign by the 2x?
Oh, shucks. Oh gosh. Okay.
Yeah. So,
Wait, what?
Rihanna, you okay?
Minus who? Wait, what? Excuse me?
For part D, right? when you move across the
Uh-huh.
A, when you move across the A, you're gonna have minus 2x is equal to 4c minus A. She take off. I show you what she did.
I did that too though.
Oh. All right, so these kind of questions giving away some trouble.
Mm-hmm.
And that's because of the how they work.
Reggie,
I was never good at algebra to begin with, so
That's true. Kind of tray, ain't it?
yeah.
Yeah. We do.
why you multiply by a half?
And I multiply by a half because you see anything. Okay, you see vector addition, sorry, vector division anyway.
No.
So you can't put the vector over 2. You gotta write the division as a multiplication. So I'm gonna explain what I mean by that. Dividing by 2 is the same thing as what? Multiplying by what?
2.
So you're saying that 100 divided by 2 is the same thing as 100 multiplied by 2.
A half.
Ah, yeah. So dividing by 2 is the same thing as multiplying by a half. What about if I divide by negative 2? That's the same thing as multiplying by 1.
A half.
Nah. A half, that's part of it.
Minus a half.
Yeah. Yeah. That's it.
Okay.
So algebra giving only trouble. Over the holidays, I might have to dedicate a class to algebra.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, Amy. That's it. That's it there. Nice. So I think question B was real easy. So I'll put on the working and I'll show you how to do D. Because I'm struggling with D. I'll go through it. But D not so different from C, No difference. It's kind of similar. So Rihanna and Alicia, we'll do question B. All right, so I'm actually gonna do question B on the board quick. So if I want to find, if I want to make X the subject of the formula, I'll move across the minus C because it's not supposed to be there. So I will end up with X is equal to A plus C. So X will be equal to 2, 1 plus 4 minus 3, right? So X would be equal to 6. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. That's my answer for B. X is equal to 6 minus 2. Very simple. The not so simple questions now. Right. So Alicia, Rihanna, and Healy. Healy is struggling with D as well.
And now start action.
Okay. All right, you're copying on me.
Though, but you could still explain.
All right. So first things first, we had to make X the subject of the formula. So Rihanna and Healy, what have nothing to do with X on the left-hand side?
A.
A.
Yeah.
Yeah. Again, that's like, wouldn't say. I'm gonna be rude.
Like nothing, Reggie.
Nothing. Right? So if I move across the A, am I interfering with the sign for X, Alicia?
Mm,
By moving across A, am I interfering with this sign?
No,
No. So what should I write in my second line?
minus 2x equals to 4c minus 8.
Keely, you agree to that?
yes.
Rihanna, you agree to that too?
Yeah.
Okay, cool, cool. Next step. Let we put in C. What was vector C? Somebody tell me what was vector C?
4/-3.
And what was A?
A is 2/1.
I was going to the next question after this, but it's only a mashup. I'll give you that for homework. Yeah. Because Rihanna, you think you gonna make fun of that hard question?
Nope.
Yeah, so I don't want to kill on you. Right? Yes, so Rihanna, tell me what to do next.
Um, That'll be 4/4, 14 over minus 13.
That'll be 16. 16 over minus 12. Oh, yeah,
Sorry, 16.
right?
I thought it was going straight ahead, but okay.
Yeah, see, we not bad like you, know. Every you know, you bad, you bad. You's the boss, right? Wait, this okay, yeah, it wouldn't work out nice. Yeah, what was the next, Rihanna? What's 16 minus 2? 16 minus 2.
Oh, sorry, 14.
What's minus 12 minus 1, Haley? Minus 12 minus 1.
You talking to me?
Yeah.
Minus 13.
Right? Now, guys, I'm not gonna do this. I don't really have, I don't really, I mean, correct, but it's not really a standard. You don't see anybody doing that. It have scalar multiplication though. So I want to find for what? Tell me, Healy, I want to find for 5x, 6x, 1x. What I want to find for?
Minus 2x.
No, I want to find for 1x. You're always finding for x, right? And x is 1x.
Yes.
Right. So we had to figure out what we had to multiply minus 2 by to get 1.
A half.
But if we multiply minus 2 by a half, we'll get minus 1.
Minus a
Minus
half.
a half. Yes. That is the thing, because the 2 and the 2 will cancel off.
Oh,
That's why minus. The
I
2,
see.
so Rihanna, I understand.
Yeah.
The 2 and the 2 will cancel off. And with minus, minus by a minus.
Positive.
Right. Cool. So we're going to multiply by minus a half on both sides. So, guys, what is minus 2 by minus a half? Minus 2 by minus a half on the left-hand side. Minus 2 or minus a half? Kelly, minus 2 or minus a half?
1. 1.
1, right? So we get 1x, which is what we're going to find for. And now we're going to write minus a half, 14 minus 3, minus 13 on you. Yeah, so now we're going to multiply everything on the inside by the minus a half. So, Kelly, what is minus a half by 14? Minus a half by 14.
Hold on.
Okay.
Minus 7.
Rihanna, you're Russian girl. Yeah, Haley, let me ask you this. Where's a half of 14?
7.
Right, and you see the thing is you have a minus by the half and I have a positive. A minus by a positive is a negative. So that's how we get minus 7. And what is minus a half by minus 13? You can tell me the answers are decimal if you want.
6 minus 6.5.
Now, we have a negative.
No, 6.5.
Right. Cool. That's the answer there. Right? Isn't that bad. The only thing I would give all the trouble is knowing what to multiply by. Yeah. You know what? You know what I could do if all I want? Let me give all a little trick. A little hack. No, you don't have to put this line, right? So what I could do, right? To jump straight to this line, or I could divide the 14 by the minus 2 and the minus 13 by the minus 2, but just so show them it. So let me explain what I mean. Okay, so Haley, it's much easier to just divide by minus 2, right?
Yeah.
So here we go in the calculator. In the calculator, you're just gonna put 14 over minus 2, and you're getting minus 7, and
Mm-hmm.
you're gonna put minus 13 over minus 2, and you're getting 6.5. And
Yeah, man.
in that way, you just jump straight from this to this. And you didn't show them any stupidness. You just show them the correct thing. You just leave out a step, which is not that important. So you
You
can do
wouldn't
that.
lose marks.
Reason?
You wouldn't lose marks.
You didn't lose marks. You jump straight to that point if you want. All right. So I think I'll have brain dead, I don't think I'll be able to do next question. So I'll give a little bit of homework. Amy, you okay?
Amy probably sleeping.
Amy knock out.
Oh no, I thought you was talking to Haley, not me. Yeah.
That is happen so much.
What? How? How?
Like
Yeah,
Haley and Amy does sound similar.
One of the names starting with a H, the other one starting with an A. That's like saying
Yeah, but like
all
still.
and the Grinch is sound like the same thing.
No, but like over the mic, you should listen back to one of the videos.
Amy, Haley,
I don't hear it.
me either.
I
Wait,
Wait, but
think
now he
I think
pronounce it
yeah,
normal.
I think no, he does like he don't really say the H out loud. So it is not like Ailey and then Amy, Like the
Yeah.
H is the out silent.
I will say Suku now. Suku.
No.
Or
Them
I say squid.
angry.
I say squid.
My God. I will find leverage on you.
Or I will say what? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I'll just say the H more pronounced. Haley.
Yeah, that will work.
All right. Haley. Suku.
Hi.
Nice. I was just testing. Um, Amy, your brain dead. And are you are you like
Um,
are you like active? Your brain working?
well, I have to revise econ after anyways, so
All right. Well, this is the last question. Right, this is the last question. I'll send the homework one time though, and I'll send the notes one time too. Clearly, I wouldn't forget. I'll send it one time.
It's fine. I don't be rushing, by the way. It's
Okay.
like when you have a chance.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna send all you the document with all the exercises because I have quite a good bit. Um, and I'll send all this as a specific question. And Nicholas, if you want, you can stay back and we can talk about it. I'll see if I give you advice. I know Healy wants to
Good. I catch myself.
get yourself.
Yeah.
All right. Cool.
What about Healy?
Where's it?
I just wanted to know the T because I come in class and I hear you calling up Nicholas' name.
I will give you a brief run now. After
Nicholas, get on.
hey, no, we leave these conversations for after the recording now. Oh, God.
Oh, sorry, I just forgot
People,
you recorded.
if
You
if
have
I
to come
post
to
this
class
video,
early, though. Get all the tea.
if I post this video on YouTube for the public to see, they would think Healy real worthless, you know. They would think Healy real worthless.
They don't know who Healy is.
That's true, eh? But wait,
Actually, yes, you said she whole name just now.
I say the previous Instagram name, and I'd say she
Oh
whole
my God.
hey, you have it rough there, boy.
Okay. Whoops.
Whoop,
You
womp
could
womp.
crop it because class down.
Okay, let me pause and stop the recording there. Um,